Telefu omukutu oliko gwa Sama Uganda botuuka bwotyo nsharingira bo sharing the video buli atuuka nsharingira bo sharing the video tole live of Fort Portal tole live of Fort Portal. We are live in 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 Fort Portal. Sharing a video. We are live in Fort Portal. We are live in Fort Portal. Mbera bweto weri baganda bange abasaba ne banyabo abali ku mukutu gwa Sama Uganda. Tuline His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu President wa Uganda eyalonde abana Uganda yadobuka nke bw'amaanyi naye abaana ba Fort Portal bagamba agenda kufuluma. Abaana ba Fort Portal bagamba agenda kufuluma. Banaye polisi egezaako okuteekawo embeera naye abaana basibye ne bagamba ffe twakoowa dda. So nsaba buli atuuka nsharing the video bayimba ekigambo kimu Fort Portal. Abaana be Fort Portal bagamba ekigambo kimu Bobby Fuluma. Bobby Fuluma. Bobby Fuluma. Tuli live Fort Portal. Tuli live Fort Portal. Baganda bange basebo ne banyabo bananga tona sharinga live oli mubi bobanga tona amache gagala chate. Nafuluma afulumye mama. Okay, live atole botelevu live at Fort Portal. Baganda bange basebo ne banyabo abali ku mukutu gwa Sama Uganda Media tuli live at Fort Portal. Baganda bange basebo ne banyabo amaze okubanga ayingirawo empologoma emaze okubanga eyingira tuli live Fort Portal. Hiya, okay. Botere fumbera wacha bweri. Tuli live of Fort Portal. Yingira. Lwacha makuba gali gonna bagasibya bamuyese no munda. Bagala mukola ki? Tuli live at Fort Portal. Baganda bange basebo ne banyabo abali ku Sama mbasaba mu sharing a video namwe. Leo bwana basomero mama. Leo bwana basomero. Tuli live of Fort Portal. Tuli live of Fort Portal. Abayise mu robodobo style. Abaguda mu robodobo style. Tuli live. We are live in Fort Portal. 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 We are live. We are live. We are live in Fort Portal. live Fort Portal. Tusanze amakubo gagaddwa, tusanze abajasi amajena buli kika kyali akwerinda, naye tumaze okubanga tuyingira Fort Portal ne His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu bagamba katubere mu rumu ne rumu zijjudde wabweru wajjudde. Laba tuje Fort Portal, laba tuje Fort Portal, Katonda wange tuli live Fort Portal. Wechakalire dadi menyeka president neka dadi eyo bya biruma bali abatagonda mama nyabo omulabye laba kasimairo mwana wa Katonda ne bwaseka busese gwanga literera mama nyabo oli ku Sama Uganda Media tuli live Fort Portal. Tuli live Fort Portal. Enkugambe basasewo ne bagamba abantu bonna bakulembeze balina okusinkana, ayina basisinkana mu kizimbe oba ewate watono. Ne tuyingidde Fort Portal nga amagye gasaseeko, poliisi esaseeko, ne batwa patro ezisuka mu 9 ezituyingiza Fort Portal okubanga bateekawo obunkenke ne tuyingidde. Oli ku Sama Uganda. Laba love. Laba love.
We can sit down now. We can sit down. We can sit down. First sit down, first sit down, first sit down. First sit down. First sit down.
Okay, Muterevu.
First sit down.
Oli ngomokoto wa Sama Uganda. Abaana b'ekinjojo mukare.
Ani amasanyalaze bwenna gabayiseemu sireki.
Tukimanya amasanyalaze galabeemu buli ng'omusisa kutiire baitu mubanze muteekane mu kateito tuteekanize ebintu bino. Tugenda kutandika na national anthem owera abaneewa tukizina anthem eyatoolo, owera aneewa tukizina party anthem kandi tukizina mu toolo. So national anthem kansengewo come. Anthem zona ono musajja w'Omukama kandi wemerwa kandi meya wetu wa Central Division. So
bana nga mwasuze mutya kwemuli kwemuli Boba college sharing it.
which is oh tabaro obrigwa tulitwale kondo oh tabaro obrigwa tulitwale kondo pombe kande yaka
tulijwara engureji masa orutabaro karwingwa tulijwara kondoro
people power. Amani. You're welcome.
musobora kwikara esara mbere nsaba omukayikuru w'emyaka 72 mukayikuru wetu aije kuhereza esara ohereza na president esara
Obusinga Yesu busimura amani agomoya kwera kama ukimanyire ntiwalifanya ukagamba nambira harabagaba bintu basagora boga bitano warwe 10 eza abantu abizira kurore cyamhano cyakoto mukama tusima abumwe wawo mayabara mukunda abantu yagamba ngo ikuru wesanje nebi ayijabana kanye yambere ngenda kugezanje nomwenda baytumkama emyaka kikuru ekikuru ngo mazi no kutikiriza no kumanya Yesu itwe n'abahana tulinge maji abehire wekraba ukubeho ziraba mboko ziraba kikiona mekiona sasa yanga kama stani yenu Yesu omwana wa hange mboke sokasiye omwana wa hanga no kitwoke ebyona kabaye baita ko simusi ko bafiro simura nabo kufaba genzi habandimwe turoba front line ekogamba kuteta hapa change kandi omwiri wabayireyo omwana obuto omyaka ne kumwana nesi n'abagenzi babatwina abakuru abajavuze kitiyoni anambera yihango mna abakozi abisika abakutu oburundi bakera hasi behere bagamba kasiye mbokoze kyo kakasumukahike tusobole tutumike kintu ekibere tutumikiye amani kwa mukasumika kana tusabiro mwipaho Robert Kyagulanyi CFM abantu bona tugenda yeke kugamba mukama mwongera amani omwongera obusobozi omwimpize kimu haikuru pikiza kimu eungule yazinile tumazire kugitwara
Okay, msema mvitana. People power. Power, power. Chagulanyi. Chagulanyi. Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, and the people of Uganda, is the duly elected President of the Republic of Uganda. Robert Chagulanyi Ssentamu Musingoze Arali. You are most welcome. President Robert Chagulanyi Arali ayakomerwa abantu ba Uganda nitukutangira hano mu Fort Portal City kandi mu Western Uganda. Ninaongea kwa kisa okubatangira inywe abantu abayizire hano. Tumanyire ngo ekyo kintu kisobora kukikaho. Habwokuba Dictator Museveni asobora kuba kintu yakakozesa sente za kuhingura milioni 5 kura meeting general by God's grace meeting eleyo. Abokuba atukuloyingira abantu bayigi twizera hatu tugere hano samwera zekiro nyechakara abapolisi baija bakinga gate batera abantu mu katalo kubona babatinisa baroku byaro batinisa abantu bagamba ngo mreja kuno babagera kibomo. But people have really disagreed with them and they have come. So ukuri tusimbira mukama kandi tusima abantu batoro abokoleka amani ngo this time there is going to be change and it will be a protest vote. Nigoza kutangira abantu abakuru muno abagurusi aro mukayikuru ayaruka kutereza esara mukayikuru mwe kusaba yongoro ibere byaka sabi na mwene aro mgurusi Shamlesi Mugurusi myaka sanjune bili. Musakiki wa amani wa Robert Chagulanyi Ssentamu kandi musakiki wa change. Midwestern National Resistance Movement, Midwestern mobilizer, but today Niger muena mwawe na mobilizing nchweka ya kundubucho karangura dokuona musozi zone no walazai. But today I is representing President Robert Chagulanyi. Twine abantu bene abayizire tukiri urukura doronu kandi training again. Twine n'abantu bene abarugenda
abacawulira toro mu nkambe bavonolire
ababaye kitebe cha National Resistance Movement echa Dictator Museveni choka tukiri babaye omusana bagama ne betanga bitu baye saba mwemere ababaye National Resistance Movement. So, Mr. President, abantu abona basaziremu over a short notice. Aboko training game. This training, we could not even put announcements on radio because the security committee banned the radios to read our announcements. So we communicated to these people using our own channels. I put announcements on Voice of Toro and some other radios which read them, but even if they could read them, they could not pronounce the word Robert Chagulanyi will be the chief guest. They will say, Omwebeze wa nuku neija. Yes, and they don't want people to listen. Muchambulani wagenda kuita because people will be very many in town. So, but because of all that, we have persevered and we are here. Mr. President,
Yogera Lusebe yengo leta lutolo mubadde chimwe.
I'm here doing a sub-regional coordinators about Western Uganda in Masaba Mwijihana. President Abaroli. Sub-regional coordinators.
Okay, abojo akiki mbaramwe chayino mwebale kubeera ko.
Sub-regional coordinators.
Akiki aboli mwebale mononga mwebale.
Bana bamukorana baale hano nanyola kubaza niko bakomanda beyeyo kubafwera
be bakomanda bewaddeyo kubafiiririra.
So President Mwamutera Amabega, you can stand here. Mwemerano President Mwamutera Amabega, stand here, introduce yourself. Owazeo 2 minutes only. Say again, like this. Okay, ladies first. I will start with the lady.
Salongo.
I start with a man from a honorable member of parliament.
Thank you. Your Excellency, you're welcome home. I'm Jackson Baju, former member of parliament, Songora County Town, and one of your members of parliament you should automatically expect in parliament next time. I'm here with a big team from Kasese. Those from Kasese and the Rwenzori sub-region, stand up. This is the team I have come with from Bondewojo, Toroko, Winyangabo, and Kasese. You are most welcome.
People power. People power. Manya Toronto mukaru koko. Asa kara Toronto samu maketa umuru. Maketa si. Kandi His Excellency Sabin Sitamu nanti mereka le maketa e protest waki. E protest vote. When I catch up with Tomorrow, Mr. Chiti. Boy, Chakrania Zakuria.
President wetu tusangayiro kukurora mu kibuga cy'efe cya Fort Portal.
Your Excellency Chabani, Sentamu Eke Boduan, Maita Bright Munza, Kani David Renumaya, and Conservative, Your Excellency. Ada akan kami menangkapau Naka Presiden approach yang Presiden sini. Ningera kujali expression ya toko. Ningera izo. Ningera mfupo. Tena kwa nishamu. Twange nokulasi kwesa kwa Presiden sini. Hapo approach yetu. Hakire in good faith. Tokubasa kwemero kupata abantu bitu. Okamazo mchome. Wamwe kwa kusasi. Sikubasa. Tokubasa kwemero. Abantu bitu tibinde matakabokuwa. Ndio tunakuwa ndio kwa kusasi. Abantu bitu shule tibinde murumo. Nabo bona ndio kusasi. Abantu bitu bazomiri waro empate tirasi. Empate temu. Ero kwa kusasi. tibine uniform, tibine school fees, bulizo wana mashitoka government katembeza school fees bulizo leo tukisafiri government ya president Museveni eli kuiba billion in every financial year. 10 billion star in the week. So very good. I want to tell you that Yanaka which is some president we take up Western Uganda. If Wayanga, we have totally rejected President Museveni's approach. After all, it was not his initiative. He was just attending a child service organized by his daughter. They wrote a paper, a document for him to read. When if you look at his face, special expression, it was exactly not his personal initiative. We have officially rejected that project. Maybe I don't be too. They don't want to stay so, you know, see I hope the national demand for the excellence. Always in Saturday, so when I spoke, you know, material I want to thank the President, Your Excellency, Joret Kamushaba. Gave us a very good president of the next Jordan. So when we are happy, we are
Abanda bira ku ankoye kolera mu mugambe mutumiddeko nnyo mwagala nnyo.
Mudimeto emu. Muloto mukaru wojirere wojirekeho emere tamisa omukuru mpaka namaza karu ko kala dawo ko bira idesa mu bantu basebu. Arona ko mu wama nona kandi pitikane baba ataba kulipa kwa. Finally, abadawo kwa kweli. Mkole huko mnaomba wewe na pingine. Mkole ruje. Abanyambara wanda amwe. Abanyambara wena ya abanyambara wena. Abaruka mkole. So abandawa yesese ne representatives baridazi abaruka mkole. Kandi Dr. Kanabi yabashomesaje munonga ebyishite gukora as leaders. So I suspect Guarda can Guarda was not Jada, but take Umura, but Shubes Nabandi Abaskare. We have come very few because of the distance and others. We are very many in Amore who support national. Then to Aguachinaje, Umuri, Toro, Kandi, 99. Now, people power! Our power! People power! People power! Our power! People power! NUP! Everywhere! NUP! Even in the Munyoro! NUP! You're talking now. Before I go any further, let me first put an announcement, just one announcement. We have two comrades who were arrested and they are buried in the Kimoga. That is our Vianney and Honorable Prudent. Please kindly take actions. Secondly, I've come with a very big team from Chikube, from Koima City and the district, from Chibale and Kakumiro. I kindly beg you to stand up for recognition. Our power, people power.
Lega. Ayogedde kulega.
It has oil, and we have our younger generation that is serving the regime to make sure that the oil is transported, is being stored from our side of Bunyoro and to Tanzania. We really condemn that, and we shall fight that until the end. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. You're most welcome, His Excellency. I'm Luke to SG.
Yeah, Chiri Wabwero.
Members are from Chigezi, can you stand up? And wave to the President. So, Mr. President, thank you so much, our DP, the most beloved DP. One philosopher called Leo Tolstoy, he had this to say, that if you feel pain,
omuntu omwangambire ku lunaku lwa lumbwe yentinde tumeddeko nnyo.
You are a human being. Your Excellency and your leadership, thank you for being human beings in our country, Uganda. Thank you so much.
People power, our power, Your Excellency, our SG, our Vice President of Western Region, Western Sir.
Banange bayise. Basinza poliisi amaanyi bayise. Poliisi ade bagalidde wabweru.
People power, our power. Mei basaba mwikare, mutunge tebe mwikare, mutunge tebe mwikare. Be orderly, be orderly. Be orderly, nitimaye mwataha mwecha. Yes, yes, be orderly. People power, our power. Okay. Now, lekatulize umsenya kuligamsheni.
People power, Your Excellency, our Deputy President, our SG, amazina nyombanyeta Joshua Tumukunde, kandi ye Sub-Regional Coordinator for Greater Bushenyi. Kandi Your Excellency niyo mutayihireyo kurwanirira abayobozi b'igihugu akunze gusibarira mentinga batosharinga. In fact, who are taking action, make sure to get in touch with me, or make sure those people are reason.
Sengendo Ibrahim kutumedeko amwe n'abantu abagala Tata Kisoro ankusama Jonah.
Do not give up.
Jonah.
Let's fight for the cause. Why are human rights violations? Kushangazabaho, barosinga abantu batine mushango, batosharinga abantu, babasaba batine mushango gono bari bayido mutwe, nabadomda yetwa yo basement yanja kuzo promoting tribalism, mutaho masiko. Let's fight for the cause. Tugomize muntu rwanira ekituru kwenda. Ekyakandi kikwenda kubasha abantu mwe. Mureke tumetwatanizo byone tukukora.
Saba mumulireko network yange eri etya n'ekifaananyi saba mumulireko.
Then what we are all prisoners. That's what I wanted you to know. We are all prisoners. Our president wetu wana basanyana wakaticho lubechkombe kuba kutwebendera. So what are prison
Neffe tukoto sina emikwano gyange bayinza kumpita ku lanki abaana ba Fort Bojo.
So what are kujambo rw'umuchombe numugwadanisa mugorora hamwe reka mwabaza kushobora umuchombe n'ekituru mweki kujambo rw'umuchombe cya President Museveni. So twadanise positions z'abazaza banza hamwe kujambo twirwanda kwa MD irwanda kwa kansara
Nantongo Sulaina nawe nkubuuzizaako.
Umuchombe ekiturumu ladies and gentlemen don't to get umuchombe ekiturumu. We shall enjoy Uganda under the leadership of His Excellency.
People, I was requesting the camera people come this side. Just speak from this side. Okay. I think now you are clear. Your Excellency, panel of sub-regional coordinators, name of sub-regional coordinators, abata kuruto munyakwenda mwe basa kunuteka mukachekache.
Salongo.
We have members, Your Excellency, from 38 districts. These are the district chairpersons. The district chairpersons are not going to speak, but all of you come here. All district chairpersons, they will be represented. All district chairpersons, yes. All district chairpersons. All district chairpersons.
There.
All district chairpersons.
Deo.
I know you are very many. All district chairpersons. Okay. Are you all there? Now, these district chairpersons are going to be represented by Mr. Musare William to give a vote of thanks and speak to the audience. Thank you very much.
People power! People power! NUP! Everywhere! NUP! Thank you so much. Your Excellency Robert Chamberlain Central and Heritage. Baba, thank you to
Salongo. Agambia atya? Agambia atya? You're right. Oli mutofu bojo, kiki. Niba kwata mpola.
Toro tukagwerwa twalibwa kubi kaba kuligwe mbeba. Mbeba is a rat. When it is biting you, ekuyane kuhira. You can't know until you have the wound. Ati totoro kumatulie. Tukalibwa kubi kabuligwe mbeba. Government NRM ekatulia kubi netuhira.
Making sure obutampeta sama please eta anko sama kuba ndi musajja mukulu omukozi please muwegala mpitako anko sama
dali masomero ko kubanza makumyali mu Uganda kirokino no bikumbisa tugarumu. We don't have any good school. Abatoro kwa abana kusoma Uganda Ankoye and you know at least Toro is finished academically. Number 2, munyake tano twele tunokudo kuficha Kampala musaha isabu. Kirokini kitupare saha 10 kugahanu kugenda Kampala. Embera mwa pijao. Namba ya kasatu abatoro tulimakosi. Tubele tuna majani as a main cash crop. Baka itahamu technically, mapakira majani kai tunesunga logrof baganga mkatani. Kenya watuna majani gawo kurungi, Rwanda watuna majani gawo kurungi, tora majani kakatima, mkwabato wasobole kutugrahita kajeki. It is a strategy for a kimbana. Na baiti government ya Uganda tetera ukulio kuona. Okwekwane kama billions, mwabasaja maraba, billions, mwabenet, jitu hanu na factory yetu kakiremere kimucha. Toro tulibwa makubele, tulibwa mabeba. Lastly, akobile. Toro tuine minister wa amani wa antiquities. Antiquities mutoro nyambara kika mutoro kwetu muranyakitara. Ikimanyisa minister webye byafayo geteka ebyo tebyo mwamuzi mbera hanya bintu byakusirira museum nwakulinda nwakumanyira engisa nwakumanyira
nalabye ku kisawuda manadejjo bane mutima gwonnombeho nengaseddayo
we have a minister of the archives
Fort Patrol.
in Toro ya kwenye taro tesokutunga prime minister, tesokutunga vice president, netunga minister, wewe bibe vya hoyo mgafu. People power! People power! Ekirungi cha batoro bagonza. Omutoro bagonza agonza. Kanda kwa rapora. Okanova, anova ko. Because of the batora bayanu, mukufu. Congratulations. Abokuma sentence wewe sisi hanu kula abantu bantu president akungira mu region. Abantu tibaziriye. Ngoba kwatabalika abantu tubakozeki. Agende anye sentence zemichemo nekikuje. Abantu nibatangira mtoro, abangira bunoro, abangira akole, abangira kabale, mchika, abangira marala, of course ni akole, abangira bundibujo, mwebale muno, mukama wamukisa, kandi tulemereho, tukalise namba yetu. Ekisani kete bakutakura, Excellency, Toro is protected. This region of Western Uganda is jealously protected. You have at least some level of freedom in Uganda. Here there is a lot of intimidation. You only wait kuchumba kutoroka barasumulizo.
Amugambi wano kutisatisa kunji babalondange ensene nezire mu nsawo.
Better consideration. We need a team. The certificate of Takwira, they know we are vulnerable, they want to make us more vulnerable. Nota Iksan Balaza, Kakasat Kiro. Nota Iksan Kakatano, Balaza, like that. So they are making us very vulnerable. Yo Tarabomo Kasanga Chekeko Iksan Tirumu, Chentoje Iksan Tirumu, Amakuru Akapiteka Mukron Baktua. They are arresting people and they are photos. That is how much this regime can be. People power, don't leave. Your Excellency.
People power, our power.
Oye muyimbi weno uli edobozi. Mama, after Museveni, someone church go down. Chwala church go down. Debategeza. Bifanga bimunyera. Katonda wange. Katonda wange. Agambe kyagwanyi mukutula byuma. Agambe sebe bagamu kutula. Hey. Wow. Yeba se. Agambe tugenda kweba kana chakwanya tuyiteko kuwense nonji. Woligwa wotuligwa. Lemeraho tovawo kyagulanyi. Omwana tomulogesa wayo nagwe dalu omuntu kuganya okumujjako.
Our power. Please, Christian Apostles, you can take your seats. Thank you very much. Mr. President, and that is how we are here. With us here, Mr. President, we have the former Prime Minister for Obusinga Walwenzululu, Right Honorable Mbayahi Gad Balok, and he is now going to contest as LC5 for Kasese District. the former Prime Minister Olusika Wanizuru.
People power! Power! People power!
Mr. President, we have a retired teacher, a retired soldier, and a lady, and a mobilizer for National Unity Platform, Fort Portal City, Madam Akelo. So, our main Magamango People Power, abantu bona, abantu balimu in people power.
What's why na Nantongo?
Mr. President, we have taken a lot of time mobilizing for this event until it came today. But there was a team that has been behind this organization of this event. Members of Fort Portal City, can you come here? So that the President, these are the people who have been organizing this event. It is the council, they go. Others slept at 4 in the morning. These members of Fort Portal City, because of time, I will even call all the contestants in Fort Portal City and Kabarole also to come here because of time. I will call other contestants from other areas, but for this time, these are the people who have been organizing this event with me for Kabarole and Fort Portal City. Our brothers in Chiejete have been supporting us with all the support and others in Kamwenge. But these are the people who have been having sleepless nights. Others have been slated for abductions. Others had to hide them yesterday, last night, so that they do not abduct them. And with them, with your permission, Mr. President, these people have organized this event for the last 3 months. And 2 consecutive times, it is being cancelled. I was, with your indulgence, requesting you that each member introduces himself or herself so that people can know them. Name and where they come from. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Yes.
Our Excellence, Mr. Robert Chagulanyi Sentamu, our Deputy President, our SG, you are most welcome. Ivan Valeta Kogabelian, Abiga Kunyatabiso, Nyokanisibile, a member of Parliament, Kabarole District, Kaningarukie, Mubagambiro Mkwekuat Nagaha. People power, our power. Ababani Valeta Mukisa Gerard, Abamubamanya Kongus Karamaga, Nyesimbile, Akachema LC3, Lutete Sub-County, Kabarole District.
People power, welcome to Brother Mwanyika Pakuma Joseph Nyanyamberire mu Central and Fort Portal City. Na wewe mmoja wa hagizi bwana. People power, MP.
Amabara Nake Steven, Chairperson, Kabarole District.
People power, our power. Amabara, Azda Thomas Katanga, Mboleza Portal City.
Hapo kikao kansengerwa mseja kuisasa zinatetika n'obukonezi bw'abantu n'obusakiki bw'abantu mu myaka ekwija 2006 mpaka 30 n'ogenda kumusanga Kageya wa Central Division nange nakabiri
amabala kiongozi wakati Nyakahuma Ndeki
I'm very excited about this day. My name is Atore Jacqueline. Nyesibire mkotopoto North. Ebere mlaba kuti nyesibire bantwakanga bisuba. Abatwafotopoto North ni masabo kusakibandi nwena. Nyesibire Kamembo Parliament wa Kotopoto North. Mwanga tugenda kumwihaya ukwaba abatogere mwina tuyabena.
Amabala banyeta Robert Samuel. Abantu banyeta Bala. Nyesibire antebe wa kansala Kotopoto City Center. So ni basaba kusakiki abantu batoro. People power, our power, people power.
People power, our power. Ibanyage banyetavuza Ronald kandi yagenda kwesimba hatebe wa MP abwesaza ya Burasha kunga Burasha kunga Kotopoto sile kunga kuna sabrisho ni kunga chakuranyi our president.
People power, our power. Amabarakani mwenye kumsibe Patrick Salongo, Nyesibire Patrick Kansela, Njada Ward, Kotopoto City.
Excellence, Amabarakani banyeta Kasane Jacqueline, AK, Atiki Jackie Wakobi. Nyesibire awawa Tarantala.
Mr. President, nikutagira ubale kuyiza Amabarakani banyeta Msimeta Peter kandi nyawe chairman wa North Division kandi Burundi ubundi nyemerire ka kansala Musaiza abumburuko kwa Butebe mutero.
People power, our power. I'm by the names of Ikamato. I'm youth pastor. I minister with the church called the Way One Outreach Ministry, and I have contested as Mayor Kiko Town Council. People power.
Abagana isaka nikijulia chairperson ni Kosa Bidoni umuntu atandikira Kabole district batambia Kabole hano mpaka doro yona amlisi munana mimi wao beitu za chairperson stewa founder wa Kabole district ninga founder wa Kosa Bidoni Pinesonga ali ofiseni kido kutakianiza ofiseni alo beta amesimbili ofisi ya tukunya amesimbili kwa candidates kwenda kwa kusongezo
mwanange kama wanje sasa amanye izene ukeji ndi musabuzi wangu likonga kuberangiza kusabisa olwaliro naye amanye agenzalwa yenzese baluleo. So amanye environmentalist sagala kwogera bigenera bina nyamasa lumbi sasa ibiti.
People power, our power. His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi, ibara lyange nyochomo Henry, out of the ghetto storyteller. Nilikuwa spokesperson wa National Unity Platform murubuga runo over food control. Tulebaba abantu abatisiriziwe tulebaba abantu abatwiri mu nkomo baitu tukakiri nyuma mpaka tuchungwiri hanga yetu baitu olimenda ni msaba engabo kutoro tubakitano yakanye bugire president wange ngabo hure ngabo ondume kurumbe orume Kyagulanyi kurumbe nyewe jabarwana nyewe abawanza Kyagulanyi wakati ya Kampoko kabaita kasatu abawanza Kyagulanyi alo ichoni ababito bazare kwa boko abachwezi bazare ndani abanyangabu bazara kwa boko hata ile ngabo twali yangu
Abobi Kyagulanyi people power Abobi Kyagulanyi people power. Our Excellency Ambaragani Magita Omega Stevie, nigga say a person who have a Tarikam, and he made a laser.
The President of Uganda, His Excellency Robert Chagulanyi Sentamu Arali, tutagirira amabara nirama akumwesiga Christopher kandi General Secretary of Finance Kabarole District and Omusajja Nyakwesiberoho Antebe ya Councillor Yuli Paris Kabarole District.
People power! Our power! His Excellency tutagirira mkikalo kenu yo waidamini John nimemwomboleza wa bodaboda Poto Uyono.
Wow, share speed up. People power. People power. Our power.
Welcome, His Excellency. Amabara Mkulungu Samuel Mkuliza Poto City.
People power. People power.
Chairman of Hakibaris of the County and the Yesimbele of our Councillor of Chawagwenya Parish.
People power. Our power. Amanya gangi ngina kwa sauli ni Uganda wemani. Amanya gangi wamita kusuka dan. Foot soldier for Kotokolism City. Foot soldier.
Abantu basatu. Yes, speed up.
People power. People power. Yoni tangira President wange Chagulanyi webale kuita mtoro rijoni yona.
Lema nange bakakamuho.
Nabaragane ni yoto musime afane. Ni nuka Rugongo.
Mr. Kanaba.
Mr. Kanaba. Dase tuli tafe ya Kabarole District.
Your Excellency tutangirire amabara ninyo sana John Atwoki and Vice Chairperson National Unity Platform Kabarole District kandi omusajja alugenda kwesimbaho Antebe ya Katano ya Kabarole District.
Baba kuba tear gas. Magambo batukubye tear gas yenyini.
People power.
Sikulimba mukwate kumuunye kumuulire.
Central Division President ekyo tino muka yange tuwere public holiday omwana wa asize kibuli yo Burundi bwa kabiri nagamba paka niyo ngumagalipereza president wa kuiza mwanya ko ekyo kibe kikuru muno abana tubasomero bange wewe bakiza president.
People power. NUP, His Excellency the President of Uganda. Amawara Makuma Kenneth Mimianga Atwoki, Vice Chairperson, Kabarole District, Vice Spokesperson for Poto Tourism City, contestant for Mayor Councillor Nyakagongo Ward.
Excellency, people power! Our power! Your Excellency, we were Peter. Nyowe tinyesimbire betu. Nino obusibu. Isira kugamba obusibu bangi, Mr. President. Ito tukashirwa business. Tukashirwa business zetu tukahunga bunyonyi.
Tumede ko chali wange Bobe Nation. Wako waisemanyi.
Business zako Mr. President tunataka kuyambi ngo. Wale kaunga bunyonyi ngo baada ya kusawadata kuyambe. Yes.
People power. Our power. People power. Taiwo John Musa Paul Chapasi.
People power.
Our power. Amamara Kabeli Pratito, the security Kabarole District, Ottawa. Wait to President, ibara yake ndio kasenge Ernest kusemelewa kutoka mgogoro ya uimbaji eke na kujulikana tani mikono ya kuweka hapo vile hizo drama zikatukira muundo tutukira sanyaraji ekizalile cha manje kwa weno hura kama tugenda kuteka pati ndogo wetu watu kuimaho watu kwa hoima industry paka kama ndio kuteka
Mr. President.
People power, our power. So, Mr. President, Mawara, tidak akan diterapkan William di
people power, our power. Yeah, Mr. President, have taken a lot of time, but these people I just so I have to get some time. Mr. President, big. Wabaine mukazi nara umuro kocha ebyo biko byabo bari to government kubayamba abo abantu 138 bari kijura harugo they are living like refugees in their own home, in Kijura and Aragong. I want also to report to you, Mr. President, the presidential rotator which Kofi Ameiralhan. Yes. Obama Ameiralhan. Yagamba abantu bakabarole na Fort Portal. So abantu ba Fort Portal they assurance from you ngu akalolo tulichakalinda ukasera ukatera kandi ukalinda tukakarangira icyakasatu abantu bakabarole na Fort Portal abetulabi bakaragalizibwa industry paka kumara emyaka 22 up to date Busau County ekikozebe. The only thing omukazi ne bamweta Victoria Lusoke akarangira yaga ngwabatore mu babagara industry paka ne mwetanga yake mugende bikale bitoke byandi ni rahika and it is on record. So they want also an assurance from you. Abantu ba Fort Portal tibaide rukunde tibaide kizaniro cyenyoni, it is a tourism city. They were promised orugude rwegari kuruka Kamwenga kuja this side up to date.
But the network yataeterede muomba musoka
and the people of Fort Portal want exactly, Mr. President, to get an assurance from you and your team so that Akaruru wakakueleze in full swing. And finally, Ninja Kumalir, Mr. President, and I want to have Choka they will not speak, but we want to Nesimire and their contestants. These are the people who are going to represent us to the common person at the ground.
Omurundi gw'omusembero okutumira Bobi Nation ekisira ne kyalina kiwasanira omonde.
Nsaba abantu abo kunywera mwemera. Abantu abo ng'okuba kwemera. Ara omusajja n'omukazi ne basazi ne bakyatungira links z'amaanyi ha social media ne bakozesa drama to promote national unity platform. I want Mr. President to recognize Kyagulanyi Omukiga as filing member of parliament for Chirikizi West. Mr. Kyagulanyi and the woman member of parliament for Bunyangabu Kabasinguzi Gladys. These people have a cappella for you. Just 1 minute a cappella. Kyagulanyi song of a cappella.
Umuzeyi twarimana ekintu kikuremere muzeyi katugure kuri tukikwase koko wayini abantu akumwe na
muzeyi twaremana
tumanye kama mazima ariyoru tutekwakora cyome kitukubase kiro mani gitu na constitution cyo kutuka turebe ku president wetu cyangwa gisenta muroga tukusimuzi twamwiso mukiri wewe ndumuri Kwa chikiwesti kama mukuri ya hii na zaire asa tuzaputeko kwa murono kutuwa.
Mr. President, ndiyo ni marieri. Ninyongera kusima kandi kusaba oyongera kusimire member of parliament wa Rubaga South. Member of parliament wa Rubaga South niwe kusindikira mu cyaro Coronel Simba wa Kabale district. In 2021, akayayo ururu umutwaro kumuna akanara n'ibitaro. Minister yayo ururu ibitwaro ebiri. So you can translate it. She got 18,520 votes and the minister got 20,000. And minister all was fagare. Now weki twine candidates abamani kama Mr. President Murwenzori Mufotopotro Mukasese Mubunibucho Mubarani batumire bagamba nti Mr. President nimetaka obahereze support na amani either financially or morally or spiritually because we want these seats to a hook or crook. Amani agorateka kasesi kora kasesi ya producing la 5 members of parliament. Ugateke Kabarole, ugateke Fotopotro, ugateke Mbarara, ugateke Kinkizi. Because tutunge ba members of parliament at least had districts as at Namunani. At least district here to a member of parliament to 38 members of parliament.
Excellent Bobi Nation China members emuruma nafa.
Now from there tumomalizike as far as sub-region and Kole sub-region, Wazone sub-region. And kumaliza right now, we have councillors, we have district councillors. Abantu akwenda kusima kwa district councillor mwebere. Stand up. They are very many abantu tumezini. But we can assure you, Mr. President, this thing, if the LOC1, I can assure you, Mr. President, Mufotopotro seated in Utangwa, where we have a candidate and another one in North Division, they are going to contest and oppose NUP as LOC1 chairpersons. So, Mr. President and the Secretary General and your in charge, Mtuwasaba to support us, kutusagika na candidates banu. For us, we have already written our wills.
mwensaga temusiba kumwana mongu gambonsa
abantu tukabitundakara tulinzire bulinda tugende mu karuru bakurangire uvuke president we have.
His Excellency to have a photo opportunity with aspiring candidates at parliamentary level, so everything will be catered for. But we are running out of time, and all these people came to listen to the president's message. Okay? Now,